Now let us learn some simple problems from average. Now let me write the question. Find the average of all prime numbers between 30 and 50. Answer. Now let us first know what are the prime numbers between 30 and 50. The numbers which are not divisible by any other number other than 1 is prime numbers. So the numbers between 30 and 50 are 31 is a prime number. Then 32 is not a prime number. 33, 34, 35 all are divisible by some other numbers other than 1. Therefore they are not prime numbers. Now next comes in our list is number 37. Next comes is 38 is not a prime number because it is divisible to as well as some other number. So we have to identify next prime number, it is 41. After 41, 43 is the prime number, and after 43, 47 is a prime number. So we want only prime numbers between 30 and 50. So we came to know that there are 5 prime numbers between 30 and 50. Now our question is find the average. What is the formula for average? Average is equal to sum of the observations divided by number of observations. Okay. Now, first we need sum of the observations. Sum of the observations is equal to the sum of all the numbers here. That is 31 plus 37 plus 41 plus 43 plus 47. What is this sum equal to? 199. Now we have found the sum of the observations. Now number of observations. How many number of observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So the formula average sum of observation divided by number of observation. We have now both the quantities we have no. Sum of observations is sum of all the numbers, which is comes to 199. Number of observation is 5 numbers are there. So we have added 5 numbers. So we have to divide by 5. Now shall we apply in the formula? Average is equal to sum of the observation is 199. Then number of observations is 5. Now you can divide using calculator also, or you can do synthetic division, any division, long division. So you can apply whatever division here applicable. So using that 199 divided by 5, the answer is 39.8. So we have find the average of all prime numbers between 30 and 50, which is nothing but average is equal to 39.8. Okay. Now let us move on to the second problem. Find the average of first 40 natural numbers. See, we are asked to find the average. Average of what? First 40 natural numbers. Okay. Now, we should know what is natural numbers. That too, first 40 natural numbers. So, first 40 natural numbers. First natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and so on. And here how many numbers we need? First 40 natural numbers we want. So which is nothing but 1, 2, 3 etc. up to 40. Okay. So now we have identified what are the first 40 natural numbers, which is nothing but 1, 2, 3 etc. up to 40. Now what is the formula to find the average? Average is equal to sum of the observations divided by number of observations. Now, sum of the observations here are these numbers, 40 numbers. Let us first find the sum of the observations. 1 plus 2 plus, so etc. up to 40. I have to add all the numbers. Only then I will get the sum of all the observations. Now, here in mathematics, no need to add all the numbers. Sit and add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all these, not necessary. For this, you have one formula. If you remember that formula, any big number given to you, you can add the numbers. The formula is sum of n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula. So now here what is my n here? I want sum of 40 natural numbers. So my n here is 40. So sum of 40 natural numbers. So n has been replaced by 40. So here also n has been replaced by 40. What is this equal to? 40 into 41 by 2. So 2 and 40 gets cancelled. So which is equal to 220. And 20 into 41, it is 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 0. 820. So now we have found the sum of 40 natural numbers divided by number of observations. Number of observations. So how many numbers we have taken to sum is the number of observations. So here 40 numbers we have taken for sum. Therefore my number of observations is 40. Now let me apply in average. Now average is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. So sum of observation I have found here 820 divided by number of observation is 40. So this is equal to 20.5. So the average of first 40 natural numbers is 20.5. See how easy it is? Okay. Now let us move on to the next problem again, which is a simple problem. Let us see the question. The question is, find the average of first 20 multiples of first 20 multiples of 7. Okay, answer. Now, what average we have to find? We should know first. We have to find the average of first 20 multiples of 7. Okay, so what are the multiples of 7? Here we will write multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21 and so on. Isn't it? Now how many multiples we want? We want first 20 multiples of 7. Isn't it? For that we can take 7. I can write it as 7 into 1. 14 I can write it as 7 into 2. 21 I can write it as 7 into 3. And so on. 20 multiples I want, isn't it? So I can write up to 7 into 20. Okay. Now, what is the formula for average? Average is equal to number of observations, sum of observations divided by number of observations. So, we need the sum of observations, isn't it? So, what are the observations here? First 20 multiples of 7 is our observations. So, for this, we have to find the sum. So, sum of observations, isn't it? Is it that 7 into 1 plus 7 into 2 plus 7 into 3 plus so on. How much I want? 7 into 20 because I want first 20 multiples of 7. So I am taking till 7. 20. 7 into 20. So now 7 is common everywhere. So 7, 7, 7, all the terms consist 7 as common. So I will take 7 outside. So what remains inside? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on 20. Now in the previous problem only I thought we have no need to add all the numbers, sit and add separately. I told you there is a formula for adding n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. So the same formula we can apply here in this place. Let the 7 be as it is. Now how many natural numbers here we have? 20 natural numbers. So n into n plus 1 by 2. So our n here is 20. So it is 20 into 20 plus 1 divided by 2. See, I have applied the formula, which is equal to, see, this 2 will get cancelled. Then 7 tens are 70 into 20 plus 1, 21. Okay. So 70 into 21. So we'll have 21 into 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. So 1470. So 70 into 21 is 1470. Now we have obtained sum of the observations. Now what is the number of observations? I told you number of observations is the number. How many numbers we have taken? 20 numbers we have taken. 20 multiples of 7. So number of observation is 20. Now we can apply for the average. Average is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation. What is sum of observations we have found? 1470 divided by number of observations what we have found 20. So cancel the 0. Then 147 divided by 2. It gives 735. Sorry, 73.5. So 147 divided by 2 gives 73.5. Hence the average of first 20 multiples of 7 are 73.5. Now clear? Let us move on to the next problem. Problem number 4. The average of four consecutive even numbers is 27. Find the largest of these numbers. See here, they have not given the numbers. Instead, what they have told, the average of 4 consecutive even numbers. This you have to concentrate on what the question says. 4 consecutive even numbers. Okay. So we don't know what is a number is. So let the first even number equal to x. So 4 consecutive even numbers means next number. So the 4 consecutive even numbers are x. What is the next even number? X plus 2. What is the next even number? X plus 4. What is the next even number? X plus 6. So these are the 4. Adding 2 every time, even number. Therefore, adding 2 to x will give us 4 even numbers. X plus 2. Add 2 to x plus 2, it will become x plus 4. Add 2 to x plus 4, it will become x plus 6. So since we need 4, we have taken 4 consecutive even numbers. Now go back to the question. It is given the average of 4 consecutive even numbers is 27. Now let us first write the formula. What is the formula for average? Number of observations divided by, sum of observations divided by number of observations. Isn't it? Okay. Now what is our sum of observations? These are the observations. X plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 5. So these sum. So shall we write sum of observations? So x plus 2 plus, what is the third number? X plus 4. What is the fourth number? X plus 6. So sum of observations divided by how many numbers we have added? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 consecutive numbers. So number of observation is 4. Now this gives x plus x plus x plus x is 4x. 4x plus 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 by 4. Okay. Now here in the left hand side we have average. This average is given in the question. Read out the question. The average of 4 consecutive even numbers is 27. See what is the average answer given? Average 27 equal to this side what we have? 4x plus 12 divided by 4 over here. Okay. So now if I take this 4 here, or here itself we can take this 4 outside. So 4x, I have taken 4 outside. So it is x plus here 12. 3 4s are 12. So 4 I have taken out. See, if you multiply back, 4 goes inside here and becomes 4x. What do we have here? 4x. Multiply back, 4 3s are 12. 12 I have here. So I have commonly taken 4 outside so that the denominator 4 gets cancelled. Now what I have is 27 is equal to x plus 3. Now plus 3 I have here, bring it to the other side. 27 minus 3 is equal to x. So 27 minus 3 is 24. X. X is equal to 24. So what are the numbers now? The numbers are x is equal to 24. The next number is x plus 2. So 24 plus 2, 26. The next number to x plus 2